Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am super excited to be unboxing FabitFun, their fall box. I did the fall box plus add-ons, so I'm going to run through the add-ons that I got as well as the box as a whole. Add-ons are in their online shop. You basically go in and click add to whatever items you love. They're at huge discounts and they auto ship with your box. It's super quick, super easy. In this one, I got a pair of exfoliating gloves so that I could tan. I'm never tan, so we'll see what happens. This will be a true experiment. And then it's got some fun things. Like these are the little sponges that you can bathe with. They smell so good and they last a long time. I got one of these for myself and my sister loved it, so I got another one for my sister because they're super cheap. I got some body wash. I mean, we literally have zero soap in the house outside of hand soap, so excellent timing. Then I just got some fun things. Some volumizing mascara, 3 different nail polishes, Tarte lip paint, and a highlighter stick. I've never used highlighter in stick form, so I'm gonna try all these out. These are all amazing products that if I went to the store, I would pay, obviously, retail value, that these are 60–75% off. It's really, really cool. Okay, those are my add-ons. Now for the box. They have tons and tons and tons of add-ons, by the way, so go scroll through there. Here's the inside of the fall 2018 box. It's super, super cute. Ooh, so normally they have their magazine that is like folded in half like this and you open it up and it's real big. I mean, it's not magazine, newspaper. Normally they have a newspaper, but this time they have a magazine. I like the change. It's very, very pretty. This is actually more manageable. The newspaper style was really big and kind of hard to manage. Very cool. Yay, Christina Applegate. All right, let's see what's inside. We have a coupon code for what? Oh, refer a friend. And then a coupon for a Luna bar on top. Then inside we have a beauty blender. I have this guy to size up. Love it, love it, love it. Super cool. I'll try with the small one and see what happens. A pair of Cobra wireless earbuds. Skin & Co. Blue and Capri shower gel. Oh, now I have 2 different shower gels in the house. That's kind of exciting. Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. 2 of those. Invite a friend over, do a girls mask night. That's fun. This is a what? Don't know. I do have the VIP, quote unquote, I prepay for a year in advance so that I can go online and help curate my box. So there was like 2 different things to choose from when it came to these, and I chose this. It does not guarantee I'm gonna get the item I chose, but it tells them kind of what I would prefer to get, and they try to make it happen. So I'll write about that. Oh, it just looks like dishcloths. Simply Whimsical. There's 2 of them. They're cute. They feel, though, being honest, like the really pretty towels you'll hang up but never use because when water touches them, they bubble up. They don't actually absorb water. That's what they feel like. I'll try them out and let you know. Metallic Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Number 2 in Penny. I don't even know what this means. Ooh, there you go. Super shimmery, less shimmery. So a metallic side and a shimmery side. The color looks gorgeous. Can't wait to try that out. Oh, an actual Luna bar. That's fun. The Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Oh yeah, this is another one of the items. Hey Jonathan, can you hand me a pair of scissors, please? This is another one of the items that I got to choose from. I want to show it to you. Thank you. It was super, super cute online, so I'm excited I got it. There's like no better way to start fall, like to get into the fall mode than to get your FabFitFun fall box. Because look, I have a teapot to make tea for it to actually be cold enough to enjoy tea. Isn't that so cute? It's super happy. I'm excited I got that guy. And then Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. Face wash, fancy face wash. Great bottle. Free from skin aging toxins, carcinogens, no sulfate, no artificial fragrances. Oh, it's no parabens, no paraffins. It's a really clean, great face wash. I'll definitely try this out. My face has been kind of crazy recently. And then last but not least, woo, that's always a good thing to see. Vince Camuto. Never ever have problems when I see that brand. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. That is super, super cute. What a great bag. Ooh, it smells really good too, y'all. All right, so there you go. The FabFitFun box is a quarterly box. So I prepay for a year, and then I get the perks of being VIP, and then I get the perks of going in and adding in all the add-ons that I want to add on, as well as I get a discount for signing up for a year. There's like a ton of reasons. And then every season, I get that season's box, spring, summer, fall, winter. And it's really kind of a fun way to start off the season. On my blog, I'll link up a discount code for $10 off your first box so that you can check it out, as well as you can go through and see a bunch of packs boxes. FabFitFun is, as my husband calls it, the gateway drug. It is actually the box that got me on board with everything years ago, and now I automate my entire life through subscription boxes. I don't shop for clothes, I don't shop for food, I don't shop for any of those things. I have everything curated and shipped to me. And then in my free time, I do whatever I want, like film these videos or lay tile throughout my house. More on that to come. Okay, FabFitFun, this is super awesome. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll get you taken care of. You guys have a happy fall. See you later.